actually.
Alright, so this is day 5, day 4 here in Serifos, and I woke up to this. The mattress of Stefanos is missing. Why is your mattress missing, Stefanos?
Okay, I love you, man. You know that. We've spent like, I don't know, like the last 10 or 12 years together. And as a matter of fact, I think that I have slept many times next, by your side, next to you. But yesterday night, your snoring was insufferable. Okay, so maybe you can see what you did.
Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets would find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, I know you never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to something, and our hearts burn with the heat of 1,000 suns. Yeah, and we cry out loud 'cause we just want attention. Alright, and we feel alive from a fake medium. Yeah, I won't accept this life the fate is given. So find a way to get lost. So find a way to get lost. Just find a way to get lost. Yeah, we'll find a way to get lost. So find a way to and tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah,
it's fucking windy, windy as fuck. Nevertheless, what the island lacked in the weather it made up for with its food.
You see how
it's cuisine.
you see the English level of the Greek people,
Good level. Unparalleled level. Where else, man? Like as always, it would be much nicer if we could stay a bit longer. But as we say in Greek, heads in now. Back to work. Καλό χειμώνα.
Currently, we're waiting for our boat that it's late.
It's that one over there.
No, it's not.
No, it's this one.
No, it's not. Currently late 30 minutes. I hope that we won't see people throwing up, because as you can
Seriously, we are following this guy.
as you can hear, the wind is fucking strong.
It's 5 to 6